Alright y'all, so I've had these braids in for about 3 weeks now and they're starting to look a little frizzy. My new growth is coming in, so I'm going to show you guys a quick way to refresh your braids and make them look almost new without having to redo any of your braids. So if you're interested in that, let's go. Alright, so if you watched my last video of me doing my daughter's knotless braids, you know that I have 2 new products that'll be coming out very soon. I'm going to be using those same products in order to achieve this refresh today. That's going to be my braid and lock gel, and then my braid and lock setting mousse. And as always, in order to do my edges, I'm using my Kelly Logan Effortless Edges Edge Control and my edge tool.
Alright, so before you even get started, you want to know exactly how you're going to style your hair so that you can smooth down that part accordingly. I knew I was going to wear my hair down with a middle part, so I went ahead and separated my middle part so that I could smooth out and make that part look flat. So it makes your life a lot easier if you do your edges first before smoothing down the part that I'm doing. So I went back after I did the first half of my part and I did my edges first, and I like to pull back my hair when I do my edges so that I can get everything out of the way and just focus on my edges. Now remember, whenever you're using edge control, you always want to use as little as possible, because edge control does tend to flake up if you overuse it or you just use it improperly. I have a complete video on how to use edge control and avoid flaking, so if you want to go back to that one, you can go back to my full video on that. But essentially, you just want to make sure that the product is not just sitting on top of your hair. You want to make sure that it's fully brushed in. You want to make sure that you're using a clean brush, and water also helps to help the product to dissolve into your hair so that it's not just sitting on top. And make sure you only use the tiniest bit. Just use what you need and don't load this product on your edges. And as you see, I am wetting my hair with the mousse as I go, because this product kind of takes effect really fast. So if my edges are set in place and I want to move them, I'm gonna wet them first, and that also helps you to avoid any flaking, because I don't know if you've ever noticed, but with edge control, if you manipulate the part that you've put the edge control on after it dries, it will flake immediately. So I wet it with a little bit of mousse and adjust it as I need to and add a little bit more edge control. So once I finished my edges, I just went back and did the other side and flattened it out. And do you see that shine? I am so excited about you guys trying this product and hearing your feedback. I really put my heart and soul into my products. I'm really passionate about natural hair and equipping women with the products that they need to deliver some super bomb style. So I'm really excited for you guys to try this one out. Now, once I smooth everything down, including the frizz on the back of my ponytail, I just went in and I put mousse all over the part that was going to be exposed when I had my hair down. So I added a little mousse, and then I'm going to put on my do-rag and just wait.